Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I am Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is immunity booster. Keep a pan. Take a glass of water. While it is boiling, add half a spoon of coriander seeds and half a spoon of candy sugar. Allow this to boil. I have crushed the candy sugar, helps in melting faster. Let this boil and reduce to half. This is a home remedy for nausea or vomiting. Now this is reduced to half. I'll turn it off and allow this to cool. Just pour in a little. And this is powdered paddy, which I'm adding. Stir in and gulp it at one shot. Have this more frequently until you come out of your problem. Please do like, share and subscribe.